Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're diving into something bold, powerful, and built for gamers who want performance without limits. This is the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16S AI, the 2025 edition. It's a machine that stands out not just because of its specs, but because of how it handles everything you throw at it. If you've been waiting for a gaming laptop that's smart, powerful, and looks futuristic, this one is worth a closer look. Let's get right into it. From the first glance, this laptop screams gamer. The design is aggressive, but not too flashy. It feels modern and cool. Acer continues with its signature Predator look. You get sharp lines, a strong chassis, and that unique sci-fi-inspired laser-etched lid. It's edgy, and it works. The chassis is made from a combination of metal and high-quality plastic. It feels solid. There's almost no flex. You'll notice right away this laptop is built to last. It's not super slim, but considering the cooling system and internals, that's expected. The ventilation system is very visible, with large vents at the back and sides. It makes it clear this laptop is built for serious gaming and heavy workloads. Even the hinge feels sturdy. You can open it with one hand, and the screen holds firm. The RGB lighting adds that final touch. The keyboard has 4-zone RGB lighting. It's bright and fully customizable. You can play around with effects and colors through the Predator Sense software. It really makes the whole system come alive, especially in low light. The display on this machine is top tier. It comes with a 16-inch WQXGA panel with a 240Hz refresh rate. The resolution is sharp at 2560 by 1600, and everything looks super crisp. The colors are vibrant, and the contrast is deep. Whether you're gaming, editing, or streaming content, the visuals are amazing. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical space, which is great for productivity too. It's especially useful if you're working with documents or time. In video editing, the brightness is strong enough to handle daylight or well-lit rooms without any problem. There's also minimal glare thanks to the matte coating. Motion feels silky smooth. Fast-paced games look stunning with the high refresh rate and quick response times. You won't notice ghosting or tearing. It supports NVIDIA G-Sync, which adds an extra level of fluidity in games. Overall, the screen is one of the best parts of this laptop. When it comes to performance, the Predator Helios Neo 16S doesn't hold back. It's powered by Intel's latest Core i9HX series processor paired with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU. This combo delivers a level of speed and power that can handle anything. Boot times are instant. Apps launch without lag. Games run at ultra settings with no stuttering. Even demanding AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Flight Simulator run buttery smooth. Frame rates stay high and consistent even during long gaming sessions. Thermals are handled by Acer's new cooling system, featuring dual 5th-gen Aeroblade fans, liquid metal on the CPU, and a dedicated vapor chamber. This setup keeps temperatures in check without sounding like a jet engine. It stays surprisingly quiet under normal load and under full load. The fan noise is noticeable but not distracting. RAM options go up to 32GB DDR5, and the storage can be configured with up to 2TB of PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Everything feels fast and responsive. You can switch between tasks, run heavy software, or multitask across multiple windows without a hitch. The software side is also smarter now. Acer's Predator Sense software now uses AI to optimize performance depending on the task. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just watching YouTube, the laptop adjusts power and cooling for the best results. It also comes with a one-click overclocking option, which is great if you want a bit of extra power for demanding titles. The keyboard is well built, with good key spacing and decent travel. Typing feels responsive and comfortable. The WASD keys are slightly highlighted, which is a nice touch for gamers. The trackpad is large, smooth, and accurate. It supports all Windows gestures and works well for casual use, though most gamers will still prefer a mouse. Battery life isn't the highlight here, but that's expected in a performance-heavy gaming laptop. You get around 5 to 6 hours of normal use, like browsing or video playback. During gaming or intensive tasks, that drops to 2 to 3 hours. But again, this isn't a laptop made for unplugged gaming. It's meant to be plugged in for best performance. Charging is quick. The included charger powers it up fast, and you can get about 50% in just over 30 minutes. That's useful if you need a quick top-up before heading out or getting back to work. Let's talk about gaming performance in real-world tests. Games like Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, Forza Horizon 5, and Apex Legends run beautifully. You can crank up the settings and still get over 120 FPS in most titles. Ray tracing is handled well, and DLSS 3.5 boosts performance without reducing visual quality. Creative tasks are no problem either. If you do video editing in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, or work with 3D models in Blender, this laptop delivers. Renders are quick, timelines are smooth. You won't see lag, even when working with 4000 footage or large assets. The screen color accuracy also helps creatives get better results. Audio is handled by dual front-facing speakers. They're loud and clear. The bass is decent, and vocals come through sharp. While it's not on par with a full speaker setup or quality headphones, it's perfectly fine for games, media, or calls. DTS X Ultra software gives you some customization options. You can choose different profiles for games, music, or movies. There's also a built-in microphone array and a 1080p webcam. It's good enough for meetings or streaming. The AI noise reduction helps reduce background sounds, which makes your voice clearer in calls. It's not studio grade, but it works well for everyday use. Connectivity is excellent. You get to Thunderbolt, 4 ports, 3 USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, an Ethernet jack, a microSD card reader, and a combo audio jack. That's more than enough for most users. You can connect external monitors, fast SSDs, or game controllers without needing a hub. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 are on board. The wireless performance is solid. Speeds are fast, and the connection remains stable even in crowded environments. Online gaming is smooth and responsive, thanks to the low-latency network support. Now let's talk about value. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI is not cheap, but it gives you serious power for the price. You're getting a high-end GPU, a powerful CPU, a beautiful display, and intelligent cooling all in one package. Compared to similar laptops in its class, it's very competitive. If you're a serious gamer or content creator and want a machine that can handle everything with ease, this laptop is worth the investment. It's future-ready and packed with the latest tech. Plus, the overall build and software polish make it a complete package. There are a few drawbacks. The laptop is heavy, and it's not the most portable option out there. Battery life is just okay. Also, while the fans are quieter than older models, they can still get loud under full load. But none of these are deal breakers if you know what you're buying. To sum it up, the Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16 AI is a powerhouse. It's built for performance, packed with smart features, and looks great. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, it handles everything with ease. If you want speed, power, and futuristic design in one machine, this one delivers. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews just like this. We'll be back soon with more in-depth looks at the latest gadgets, laptops, and gaming gear. Until then, stay smart, stay sharp, and stay connected.